Hello everyone. Today we shall look into CROSSJOIN and UNION functions. CROSSJOIN returns a table that contains the Cartesian product of all rows from all the tables in the arguments. The columns in the new table are all the columns in the argument tables. The total number of rows returned by CROSSJOIN is equal to the product of the number of rows from all tables in the arguments. It is not supported for direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Let us see an example. Here we have few categories like ID, category name and description. In this second table I have two cities, and in the third table I have this company names, three company names. Let us understand cross join where it does the Cartesian product. I'll select a new table because it returns a table. Here I'll write cross join table equal to, okay. Here I'll write cross join. In the table 1 I'll write categories, comma. In the table 2 I'll write companies. Okay. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. In the categories table we have seen that we had 5 rows, and in companies table we know that we have seen these 3 rows. Now when we did the cross join, those 5 rows are associated with each and every single row of the other table, which is mentioned as companies. Similarly, if I mention the third argument, which is cities, these 15 rows will be associated with those two cities, and it will form 30 rows. Here I have included cities in the third argument of cross join. Here you could see that there are 30 rows. Okay, each row is associated with a single company name and city as well. If you would require such a scenario where you have to make the Cartesian product, then cross join function would be really useful. Okay, I hope you have understood cross join. We shall move on to the union. Let us understand about union function. Union function creates a union table from a pair of tables. The two tables must have same number of columns. Columns are combined by position in their respective tables. The column names in the return table will match the column names in table expression 1. Duplicate rows are retained. The return table has lineage wherever possible. When data types differ, the resulting data type is determined based on the rules of data type coercion. The return table will not contain columns from related tables, and this function is also not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Let us see an example. Here in the data view we have three columns, which is product ID, product name and unit price. Okay, and in the products 2 table we have product ID, product name and unit price, but you could see that here there are 40 rows and here there are around 37 rows. We need to append it one below the other. In Power Query Editor we could append it by using append query method. Here by using DAX we need to create a new table. I'll name it as union table equal to, okay, I'll write union. In the table 1 I'll write products 1, and in the table 2 I'll write products 2. Okay, these are the two tables where I have entered, and you could notice the difference that the two tables will be appended. Here there are 77 rows. According to the product ID we could see that 40 rows and 37 rows has appended together, and since the column names and data types are same, there is no issue or no error occurred. I hope union function and cross join functions are now understandable. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.